Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? I'm actually not working on anything. Jaden's working on this particular vehicle. This is one that was in last year and I made a video on it. And I know a lot of you guys say that, oh, I never make follow-up videos. Well, sometimes I can't because I don't get to see the car again. I see the customer, but I don't see the car. When I do see the car, I try to make follow-up videos, especially if it's something important. This was the one where it had what appeared to be a blown head gasket. And when I did the block test, the only way to get the block test to fail was to rev the engine up. Hang on one second. Sorry about that. Rick had to come in the shop. I wanted to get the door for him because it was locked. Anyway, so this is the one where, if you recall, I had to rev it up and hold the RPMs up to get the block test to fail. And a lot of you guys were saying different things like, oh, it's probably not the head gasket. Well, anyway, I did replace the head gasket. It's been going a year. We know the customer comes here with their other vehicles. It's been about 6,000 miles and they're back now for an oil change. So it's been fine ever since. So let me just show you the car real quick. So here, this is the one, like I said, this one has the air cleaner underneath there, but this is the one where I did the head gasket. And if you remember, it's got the timing chains and stuff over on this side. It's just like a real weird setup. But I just wanted to show you that yes, they do come back. And this one, you know, I was even questioning it because the head gasket looked fine, but I said it's possible. I've seen it happen before. Where, if I remember correctly, some of the head bolts weren't torqued correctly, or they had lost their torque. I don't remember exactly, but the head gasket didn't show signs of being actually blown per se. But anyway, I'd have to look back at the video because it's been a year. Anyway, so what I'll do is I'll try to tag it here. I think that's where it shows up. I don't remember. All right, but that's it. All right, guys. Hope you get something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. Could please subscribe. All right, have a great day. Keep wrenching.